It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome back to Stina Resells. And today for Thredup Thursday, you guys, it's time to open another fun box. These are arguably my favorite mystery boxes to open from Thredup because you never really know what you're going to get. If you're not familiar with the fun boxes, you get 10 miscellaneous items. I mean, y'all, it can literally be anything. Sunglasses, sleepwear, socks. We've been getting some computer cases. You just don't know, you guys. I've gotten Tiffany before, Chanel. I mean, Judith Jack. I've gotten amazing things in these boxes. From my personal perspective, I feel like you can almost always at least make your money back, if not a profit on these boxes. They cost $34 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, it comes in right under about $50. All right, so this one, the receipt is coming out of the side. So we can pretty easily see when I ordered this one. I got this one on September the 3rd, so pretty recent. So this should give you a good idea if you were to order one of these boxes, what you might get. And hey, if you happen to be new here, my name's Christina. I am a part-time reseller, which means I have a full-time job. I work in the ticketing industry, which I've done for over 20 years, and I'm super busy, you guys. You can see up here, I have some things from Titanic above me, which you can't see. I have an elephant painting from the circus. I've been doing it a long time, and I absolutely love it. So that's what I do full-time. This I kind of started picking up I've been reselling for years, but I really started picking it up more during the COVID shutdown because the entertainment industry was not active. So that's when I really started ordering the mystery boxes, and I started my YouTube channel, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I do videos twice a week. Tuesdays, I focus usually on jewelry because, hello, I love jewelry. And then Thursdays, we open a Thredup rescue box. So before we get into this one, let me get my box cutter. I always like to point out what I'm wearing. And today, you guys, even though I just recently did a malachite look, I am doing a turquoise and malachite look in honor of the malachite ring that I unboxed in my last jewelry box. If you happen to miss that video, I will link it above. That came out of a Goodwill Blue box. Y'all, the 3 best pieces from my perspective, or the pieces that I would say are worth the most. I got a J. King necklace, which I am sending to my friend Brighton over at Brighton Your Day. He collects J. King, and that's a piece he didn't have in his collection. So that's going to him. I, of course, kept the malachite ring because I love malachite. And I got an 18 karat gold and amethyst flower pendant, you guys. It was amazing. So if you didn't watch that video, make sure to check it out. So today I'm stacked up in malachite and turquoise. I didn't want to just go malachite because I just did a malachite look. So I'm actually leaning heavy into the turquoise today. It started with this necklace, okay, which I actually think I got from my friend Brighton. It is like half malachite and half faceted turquoise. I love it. And I have a pair of tax coat earrings that are half malachite, half turquoise, and I couldn't find them. So we're going with some hoops that are like a zuni inlaid turquoise. And then I've got 2 malachite necklaces on. And then I have a huge strand of turquoise chips, or probably dyed halite. But anyway, and I have that tripled. These I pulled out of a Goodwill jewelry jar from my local Goodwill, you guys. So lots of fun things. I have a turquoise ring on, malachite bracelet, and this one has turquoise and malachite and some other really fun beads. So I am stacked up and ready to get into this mystery box. All right, I'm going to cut the tape, and then we are going to do first peeks together, okay? All right, let me swing around, and we'll open it together. Okay, here we go. This box is kind of heavy, so we'll see how long I can hold it up. Okay, here we go. All right, so, ooh, looks like we have some Brighton, you guys. Is that like a crossbody or... I don't know. Y'all, I don't know if you can see behind this, but look, there's like a sneaker. This looks like it could be Vera Bradley. Something in plastic. Oh, guys, it looks almost like a black and white and red theme. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to pause just for a second, and I'm going to take a few thumbnails, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm going to start off the top with what looks like a Vera Bradley maybe iPad case. It is Vera Bradley, okay? It is in a black, white, gray, and it's got this beautiful like magenta. I'm not sure the pattern name on this one. You have your black patent leather branding right here. Your zipper pull that's branded right here. It looks like maybe it's a little starting to crack, maybe just a bit. Okay, and then on the inside, it's very silky, like magenta. And you have your Vera Bradley tag right there. So if you happen to just be tuning in for maybe like the first time, I do sell for my YouTube videos. So if you see anything in this box that you're interested in purchasing, you can order from me directly. You just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I should be giving pricing verbally or have pricing on the screen. And then if it's an item that's super lightweight, like under a pound, it would be $6 shipping. If it's over a pound, it will be $9 shipping. And I invoice directly through PayPal. So super easy if you see something in this box that you can't live without, okay? So I will have a price on the screen for the Vera Bradley. I would assume that this would fit maybe like some sort of, don't hear that? My dogs are running up and down the stairs. I would assume this would be for some sort of like iPad or like a Kindle or something like that. Let's measure it really fast, you guys. I have my little Tiffany tape measure, one of my faves. All right, this is an 8 by 10. So 8 by 10 pouch, padded pouch, silky magenta interior. We're off to a good start with this fun box. Okay. I can see what was right under that. Okay, remember we kind of peeked at a pair of shoes? We're doing that next. Okay. You guys, we got Disney. For those of you who know, I love Disney. Okay, these are by Disney. These are Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's see if I can show them correctly. Y'all, look how cute these are. And y'all, my dogs are in my office. So I don't know, they might jump on me. We'll see what happens. These are adorable. Again, we're in a pink, a black, and a white. Okay, look how cute this is. You've got a spider attached to the laces and then a bat on here. Pink and black. You have your Jack skeleton right there. These are new with tags. You have a Sally and a Jack shoe. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're Sally, you guys. Oh, I love these. Okay, let's see what size these are. My niece loves Nightmare Before Christmas, you guys. These are in a size 11. Size 11. There is your branding. Okay. New with tags. And let's see if we see a price on here. No. So I will look these up and I will put a price on the screen. The prices that I give you guys are what I consider my subscriber prices. So what I do is, well, sometimes I just throw out a price. But I think about what I would list something for. And then I usually give you guys about half off of that. It saves me from listing, saves you guys money, and it's fun. So I'll have a price on the screen for this. Okay, let's do the Brighton. This says Love Brighton. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is new with tags. I cannot believe this. It says designed in Los Angeles. Okay, this is a crossbody. I guess it could also be a shoulder bag. Hold on, I'm trying to get the strap right. You guys, look how adorable this strap is. I love the hearts on this. Again, we have a black, a red, and a white. Okay, you have a double zip in this pouch. This is a great crossbody, y'all. Look how cute these zippers are. You've got a little heart, okay? So you have a front pocket. Oh, Thredup stuffed it for me. That's so kind. Striped on the inside. On that pocket, you have a back slip pocket with your straight material. Okay, and then another pocket here. That's amazing. Okay, you guys, this box is awesome, and we're only 3 items in. New with tags Brighton. Price on the screen for this one. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, I'm going to give you guys another quick peek into the box because now we've kind of pulled the top layer off. It looks like we've got a headband, which of course I'm excited about. Looks like maybe we have another comfort like gel pad, which could be like a Mosiso or something. I don't know what this is. Maybe it looks like some hose or socks. Maybe a jewelry case. Y'all, what's that? I don't know. Y'all, this is gonna be fun. Okay. I feel like all of my like black, pink, white, or black, red, white items were on the top. So the rest of the box looks like a mix of colors. So definitely not totally color themed. Okay, let's go for the headband. We have, oh, shut up. Y'all, we got Lele Sadoughi. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is her patterned signature print on the inside of the headband. Okay, so if you're out thrifting and you see the little shells, that's Lele Sadoughi. These are very expensive. They usually retail, it depends on the particular piece. They usually retail around $100 to $200, okay, depending on the style. And resale is great on these, you guys. So this one is a black velvet. You have a top knot, and then you have these faux pearls all the way on the outside. I usually don't do the huge top knots because y'all look, like my hair is like not super thick. Okay, like I have very fine hair. So unfortunately I'll be selling this. I wish I would keep it. But I'll have a price on the screen for the Lele Sadoughi. Y'all, every piece so far we've gotten has been branded and has been awesome. Lele Sadoughi, you guys. OMG. Okay, let's go for this. We have a little bag. It looks like some gloves. Okay. We have a pair of long black gloves that have rhinestone arrows. I don't know what this would go to, or if it's for like a costume or something. What else is in here? Another pair of gloves. Y'all, there's 3 pairs of gloves in here. Okay. They're really pretty and they look like they have little polka dots. I will look up this, I will look up what it says on the tag here. It says Alice, maybe woman something white. I don't know. And there's like a little bow, and I'll see if I can put a picture of these up on the screen. Okay, so there's that pair. Then there's another pair. Okay. There's another pair. These are all new. Okay. These are really soft. They have a little pom-pom here by the wrist. See if I can feel a tag or anything. I don't see a tag or anything like that. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to say $4 each for the gloves. If you want to buy all 3 sets, it'll be $10. Okay, how about that? So we have the white lacy, the one with the arrows on it, and then we have this pair with the little pom-poms. So $4 each, or if you want all 3, it'll be $10. Okay. Next, let's see. Let's go for the, well, yeah, let's go for the gel pad. So it looks like there's a gel pad and a mouse pad, which they're both Mosiso. They're both like go together. Okay. I'm going to sell them individually and as a set, but you have this one. See, like, it's cool. These are new. They still have the plastic on the back. So let's do $5 for the gel pad for your wrist. And then we'll do $5 for the mouse pad that also has the comfort for your wrist. And then if you want both, we'll do it for $8. And this is kind of heavy. So if you buy one, it'll probably be a $6 ship, but if you buy both, it's probably be a $9 ship. Okay. All right. Next, let's see. There's something in bubble wrap. Let's see what this is. This is a really good box, you guys. I love this one. Oh, you guys, we have a little like jewelry or accessory tray. You could put your keys in it. I would put like my little studs or earrings in it. This is beautiful. This says it is a stone glass pottery dish made in USA. Okay, this was $10. So we'll say $5. I love that. Really pretty. I don't know what this is in the bottom. It reminds me of like glass. Oh, I guess it said it was glass. I don't know. It's really pretty. I don't know anything about pottery. This is gorgeous. Purples and blues and this glass in the bottom. Love that. $5. Okay. Then I have a pair of sunglasses. From my experience, it's about a 50-50 on if you're getting branded or unbranded sunglasses. Y'all, I've gotten amazing sunglasses in these boxes, and then sometimes I've gotten unbranded, so you never know. These look unbranded, okay, and you have a black, okay, plastic frame. These are in excellent condition. Let's see, like this. Love it. We'll say $5. $5 on the black sunglasses. They're in great condition. Then we've got this. What is that, you guys? This is an as seen on TV tub shroom, ultimate ultra edition, stainless steel. It catches your hair, you guys, and then you just pull it out and clean it, like from your tub. How cool. Okay, this does not have a price on it. I don't know. I have no idea. $5. $5 for this little contraption. You put it in like where your drain is and it catches your hair, and then you can pull it out and like clean it easily. That's cool. $5. Okay, yay. All right, we've got a, looks like either jewelry or pill case. It is in a metallic gold. I love that. It's a jewelry case. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's see. I don't think there would be any branding in here. There is an RN. Oh, there's a Target tag. So this is from Target. Okay. It does have, looks like a little stain right here. Okay. It feels pretty nice. And it's got this gray felt. You can put some rings, a few earrings. This would be a great one to just throw in your purse. And then you've got your zip all the way around. We'll save $5 on this one. Okay. Last item, you guys. And guess what? It's Disney. Yes. Okay. It's not my size. Why Thredup? I really want to keep this. This is not my size though. Okay. This is a pair of Disney branded Mickey Mouse women's 2-piece pajama set. It seems like it's like really soft, like a velour kind of, and you've got your Mickeys on it. This is like what it's supposed to look like. Okay. So the top is like lighter and the bottoms are darker. It looks like a jogger. There's the bottoms. It is wrapped with a ribbon. This would be a great gift for a Disney lover. And this is in a medium, 8 to 10. So new with tags, medium, 8 to 10, Disney pajamas. I'm going to say $10 on this. Okay. $10 for the Disney PJs. You guys, this box is killer. I loved it. Okay. We got 2 Disney items, Lele Sadoughi, BRIGHTON, Vera. Like, this was awesome. Okay, so let's count up our items and just see how many pieces Thredup sent me. So we got the Disney pajamas for 1, the Lele Sadoughi for 2, we got the tub shroom for 3, the little trinket pottery thing for 4, we got the glasses for 5, the jewelry case for 6, we got the Mosiso like accessories. I'm going to call this like one thing and we'll say 7. I hope I didn't miscount. We got a set of 3 gloves. I'm counting this as 1. Okay, for 8. Then we got the BRIGHTON bag for 9. The Nightmare Before Christmas sneakers for 10. I think this is why this box was so heavy. And then we got the Vera Bradley for 11. So we definitely got more than 10 items. Okay. And then some of these have multiple pieces in them. And you guys, this was awesome. Okay. 2 Disney pieces, a Vera Bradley, a BRIGHTON. I mean, Lele Sadoughi. The Lele may, like if I were to list it, pay for most of the box. You guys, this is why I love doing these fun boxes. You truly never know what you're going to get. And for me, a lot of the fun is just the surprise of unboxing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be back on Tuesday doing a Thredup DIY 5-pound jewelry box. So make sure to tune in on Tuesday. And then next Thursday, y'all, even though I just did a designer box, I think I'm going to open another one. Okay. So I'll be back for Thredup Thursday next Thursday. Until then, bye y'all.